In this video, you'll see how to manage, govern, and control all AI costs with Domino FinOps. You can use Domino FinOps to track and break down costs by any dimension: user, project, org, clusters, and more, with unified cost visibility. You can tie utilization to users to simplify chargebacks across projects in a single pane of glass. You can catch cost overruns before they become a problem with automated alerts. And you can gain real-time insights to reduce spending. It's important to get granular attribution of infrastructure spend. You can break down and view compute and storage spend by user, project, org, clusters, and more. You can gain insights into cost drivers to reduce spending over time. Domino FinOps lets you control spending with budgets and alerts. You can set up and manage budgets for teams and projects. You can also receive alerts when you reach 75% of spending thresholds. And this allows you to catch cost overruns before they become a problem. Support your chargeback policies with Domino FinOps. You can embed your organization's custom billing codes and tag them in Domino to simplify chargebacks. You can also view multiple cloud invoices, including savings plans and EDPs, in one place. You also have the flexibility to export all of your data to your preferred visualization tool or use Domino's Dash app. With Domino FinOps, you can lower AI costs, scale and innovate faster, and shorten time to value.